Okay, good morning to all of you. Today our topic is child labor and we are going to start from Diksha. Okay, Diksha, start.
Yes, sir. Today my topic is child labor. I would like to divide my topic in four parts. That is introduction, causes, effects, and solution. So, if I talk about the child labor, introduction of child labor, a child should not be subjected to work at the expense of his or her education or dreams. Child labor robs minors for the opportunity to enjoy their childhood, go to school, and have a decent shot of success. Uh, them, it condemns them to a life of limited opportunities. It is therefore necessary to ensure that every child is protected and not exploited for cheap labor. It is not just the responsibility of the parents to eliminate child labor, but also the government and the society. So, if I talk about the meaning of child labor, there are several meanings for the several societies and for the different societies, and they have different meanings of child labor. So, if I talk about the meaning of child labor, first of all, child labor refers to the use of children as a source of labor while depriving them for fundamental rights in the process. Such rights include the opportunity to enjoy their childhood, attend school regularly, have a peace of mind, and live a dignified life. And secondly, child labor can also be referred to the patience of exploiting children for financial gain. Some industries employ children in order to cut down the labor wages because they are easy to exploit the child. Work that places a children in a situation that is socially, mentally, physically, morally harmful and dangerous is also defined as child labor because it ignores the well-being of such children. So on further moving, if I talk about the causes, reasons of the child labor. So first of all, poverty. Second, low aspiration. Third, huge demand of unskilled laborers. And fourth, illiteracy, early marriages, and high cost of education. So, if first of all I talk about the poverty, children who come from the poor family may be forced to work to support their siblings and parents. It is a huge problem, especially in developing countries when parents are unable to generate income due to lack of employment opportunities and education. And if secondly, I talk about low aspiration, it is important for parents and children to understand that they can work hard and make something great for themselves. Low aspiration by parents and children is major cause of child labor because in such a situation, being employed in a local factory or selling grocery in the street is the normal way of life. And thirdly, if I talk about the huge demand of unskilled laborers, the demand of unskilled labor is another cause of child labor. Children are mostly unskilled and provide a cheap source of labor, making them an attractive option for many greedy employers is also the reason of child labor. And next, if I talk about illiteracy, a society with many educated people understand the importance of going to school and pursuing dreams. Children have the ability and time to become whatever they aspire to be illiteracy. On the other hand, make it difficult for many people to understand the importance of education. Illiterate people view education as a preserve of privilege in the society. They will therefore not provide support to children so that they can go to school and build solid foundation for the future success. And early marriages and high cost of education is also the reason of child labor. So if I talk about the effects of child labor, what our society how our society affected if the child labor will be continue. First of all, loss of quality childhood, health issues in the
Okay,
early
stop.
age of children.
Close your eyes
Yes, yes, sir.
and start.
So if I talk about the effects of child labor and the
Close your
sir,
eyes.
effect of
Uh,
child labor is effect of child labor is health issues, illiteracy in the children, and mental issues and uh,
close
low
your
quality
eyes.
of
eyes को close करके फिर बोलो.
childhood. It is important for human beings that they understand understand the value of child education, and they cannot send their children to the factories and the to the factories for the work. They send their children to the schools so that they build the foundations of the future success. If I
Close.
talk,
What happened?
sir, हो नहीं पाता सर ऐसे बिना
भाई
as
बंदूक
मैं
चलाने
ट्राई
में
करती हूँ.
आंख बंद करके चलाओ या आंख खोल के चलाओ। आंखों का बंदूक चलाने क्या काम?
If I talk about the solutions of child labor, how the child labor can be reduced or completely
फेल।
eradicated from the.
फेल। अगर आप आइज क्लोज करके नहीं सुना सकते तो यार फेल नहीं सुना पा रहे आप। ठीक है, दिक्कत क्या आइज क्लोज बोल कर रहे हैं? दिक्कत क्या है? देखा, माइंड माइंड हमारा रिस्ट्रिक्टेड होता है। फ्लेक्सिबल माइंड चाहिए हमें, कुछ भी करें। हम बोलो कि नहाते हुए सुनाओ तो नहाते हुए सुना सकते हो, दौड़ते हुए सुना तो दौड़ते हुए
Yes,
सुनाओ,
sir.
खाना खाते हुए सुना तो खाना खाते हुए सुनाओ। यू मस्ट बी,
Yes, sir.
योर बॉडी मस्ट बी फ्रीक्वेंटली पार्टिसिपेटेड। ठीक है,
Yes,
पार्टिसिपेशन होना
वो
चाहिए
बस
जो
एक दो बार लगता है थोड़ा सा, फिर उसके बाद इस चीज के लिए भी आप चलो जाएंगे.
हाँ। अभी देख के तो नहीं सुनाया तुमने?
नहीं सर, लिखा ही नहीं मैंने तो.
लिखा नहीं है?
नहीं सर.
ओके। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि जैसे तुम कहीं से देख के सुना रहे हो शायद, इसलिए मैं आइज क्लोज करने के लिए बोला। ठीक है, ओके। तो ईमानदारी से बताओ, देखा था?
नहीं सर, लिखा ही नहीं है मैंने, देखूंगी क्या.
ओके, ठीक है। ठीक है, काफी अभी इम्प्रूवमेंट की भी रिक्वायरमेंट है। आज के जो तुम्हारा पार्टिसिपेशन है, मैंने इसको रिकॉर्ड किया है, आप इसको देखिएगा, तो काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट की भी रिक्वायरमेंट है। ठीक है, अब देखिएगा।